Hey friends, Terry Brown with Sprads Rv in Reno, Nevada. I'm here to show you the all-new 189 Rpod Hood River Edition by ForestRiver RV. As you can see, it has the brand new curvature front window. You also have the option of the removable outside kitchen, super neat feature. You guys can have a barbecue out here. You even have a barbecue quick connect right there for propane that you can bring your own grill. Have a sink, some water, and you can actually be underneath this really large Thule box powered awning with an LED light strip. That's just a couple of the features of the Rpod 189 Hood River Edition by ForestRiver. Let's go check out the inside. Hey friends, Terry Brown with Sprads Rv in Reno, Nevada. I'm inside the all-new 189 Rpod by ForestRiver RV. As you can see, a really nice loungeable rear sofa in the back. Has plenty of windows that surround you all the way around, so you can actually visualize where you're camping. And then, if you have a guest that comes with you and you want to sleep them too, this jackknife sofa with tons of storage underneath folds out into a nice comfy bed. It's actually pretty large, guys. And then right here you have the actual entertainment center with TV, 12-volt operational TV actually, AM, FM, inside and outside speaker system, radio system, 3-way European refrigerator. That's 120-volt, 12-volt, and propane operational refrigerator. And not to mention, this is an actual dry bathroom, so that means the shower is separate from the toilet, that's separate from the sink. There's no all-in-one system in this 189 Rpod. These are just a couple of the cool features on the inside of the Rpod 189 Hood River Edition. Come on in to Sprads RV, ask for me or one of our team members here at the dealership. We'd love to show you the new Rpod 189 by ForestRiver.